It's pretty important. The bunkers play a major part in the logistics at harvest time, because without the bunkers, I think the header would be pulled up waiting for trucks, or sometimes it's very hard to source trucks in the middle of harvest. So we've found it keeps the harvest rolling quite quickly, or quite well, which is a big thing when you've got weather around and you want to keep the header moving. Peter Sexton, Avondale Farms at Terrapee, which is midway between Charlton and Bort. We farm about 2,500 hectares, a bit under. Grow lentils, wheat, barley, canola, and a bit of export hay. This bunker behind us has got wheat in it, and there's 700 tonne of wheat in that one. We just constructed this one out of some topsoil that was left here from where we made some laneways that we took off. I think they're about 500, 400 high, Nick. Yeah, they got that rounded end, so that suits the grain as it's dropping out of the auger, and then you just move the auger along. Every 2 or 3 truckloads, you might just move the auger along a bit. We just used dirt to pin it down. Once we've got the grain all in there, in between time, we just have concrete tyres to hold the tarp in place until we've got it where we want it and got the grain in there, and then we'll come around with the telehandler and pin it down with dirt, and that seems to work pretty well. Just scrape it off with the telehandler when you want to unload, outload. It's pretty important to have a good fall on the site so that any heavy rain can get away quickly, and we're lucky enough here that we have got a few spots that we can put them, and the water drains off really well. Labour wise, as far as putting the grain in the bunker, it's pretty simple. We've just got a swing away auger. One guy's here at the bunker unloading, and another guy's just ferrying the trucks from the paddock to the bunker. And that system works pretty well because we've got 2 or 3 trucks. So we've always got a truck in the paddock, one at the bunker and one on the road between the two. So it works pretty well that way. We haven't had any weevils, touch wood, over the last 3 or 4 years that we've used bunkers. Once again, you just keep monitoring them and the bunkers, and make sure you do your phosphine treatments in a timely manner. And just keep everything clean and tidy around the bunkers, and that's about all you can do, I think. But yeah, it hasn't been an issue. As far as looking after the quality of the grain, we just treat it with phosphine, usually about now, February, and then hopefully by the winter it's almost gone off farm, or if it's still here we might have to do it again. But it's just a matter of a bit of a slice in the bunker tarp, push the blankets in and tape it back up, and come back later on and grab them out. So it's pretty simple really. It's definitely a cheap way of doing it. I think it's costing us either side of $10 a tonne per year to do what we do here, which is a lot cheaper than your vertical storage. So if you want to carry a lot of grain on farm and you want to do it in an economical way, this is probably the way to go. If you've got the spot on your farm where you can put it where water will drain away, and it's going to work for you that way. It's a cheap way of storing grain on farm. I'd recommend Polytex products if you're going into bunkers. The experience we've had with them, service-wise, has been really good, and the products have been easy to use and good quality. Got plenty of information about tarp sizes, ground sheets, all that sort of thing. They were exceptionally good at giving us advice as to what we should use, and their service was really good, so very happy with it.